Alright guys, how's it going? Look what we got here. We got another Fintiso. Yeah, let's take a look at it. These come in great boxes. I love the boxes. They make awesome gifts. Endless exploration, endless shop. And there we go. We got a nice pouch and the user manual inside. For anyone new to knives, tells them how to look after their knife. Alright, let's adjust the camera and take a look at what's in the nice zippy pouch. Alright, we got spare screws. I love that. Knife community loves that. We've got a microfiber cloth. Awesome. The Fintiso sticker. And here's the knife itself. Love these pouches. They got that velvety feel to them. Really nice to keep your knives in. Alright, let's take a look at the Odyssey. Now they come in different colours and different scales. This is a G10 and black, of course, with blacked out blade. They also come in aluminum scales, if that's what your choice is. Beautiful clip there. Nice countersunk screws, so they're not going to tear your pockets up. Thumb studs. And a flipper tab. Alright, let's check the flipper. Whoa, nice. Really nice blade. This is a workhorse knife. This is what I think. Really nice contoured handle. You see all these bevels around here. The handle really does. I've got XL hands. Lots of room. I love this finger choil here. It just feels really solid, locked in, solid into your hand. Hammer grip, solid as a rock. The shape of the handle here with the jimping at the back, that's a G10 backspacer there. And we got T8 on the pivot. It's a captive pivot. Fintiso logo on there. Yeah, that just feels rock solid. Ready for work, ready for hard work, you know. It's a proper working knife, this one. It's not just show, it's a good worker. We got a liner lock here, which locks up solid. So you just move the liner lock, push it across, fold the blade, and it's running on ceramic bearings, droppy shut. We've got this lanyard slot here at the back, and I prefer the slot over the nasty hole that looks like an afterthought that's in many knives. Fintiso do a nice job at this. And they also do a nice job of one of their other knives here of putting a lanyard hole there in the barrel spacer. And this is the Apollo. Beautiful, beautiful Apollo. Look at that Damascus. That's what they call that, the Damascus pattern in the handle there. Very nice. Anyway, this one's about the Odyssey. Yeah, let's check the thumb studs. Beautiful. Now the blade is SANDVIK, high quality SANDVIK Swedish steel, 14C 28N, and it is written on the blade there and tiny writing there. And we got Fintiso there and some nice subtle jimping. It's really is subtle jimping, it's not aggressive at all. Nice wedge here. I like that blade shape. This is a no nonsense work knife. It's running super smooth on the bearings, ceramic bearings there. Drop your shut out the box. Fintiso knives come wonderfully sharp, and we'll check its sharpness just now. Alright, so it weighs in at 3.9 ounces. We've got a 3mm blade stock there. Let's take a quick overall look at the overall length. Just under 8 inches with 3¼ inch blade there, 3¼ inch. Let's cut up a little bit of sticky fat wood. I need some for a little fire later. Beautifully sharp blade, wonderful. Pretty awesome feather stick in there. Great for getting the fires going. There you go, guys. This is a really versatile knife. I mean, it'd be good at all kinds of stuff. And the handle is such a solid handle, solid lock up there on that blade. Yeah, wonderful. Really good for, doesn't matter if you're a beginner in knives or somebody like me that's got a ton of experience with knives. I'd be happy receiving one of these as a gift, that's for sure. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Go check out these knives, and yeah, my collection's grown. Here's the Cobra button lock from Fintiso, great knife, and the Apollo, wonderful. Alright, go check them out. Catch you later, guys.